I'm David Price of North Carolina, a member of Congress, chairman of the House Democracy Partnership. We're a group of 6 bipartisan members from both parties, who work with parliaments around the world to help strengthen our ability to represent our people.
And we're here to build our relationship. We've also have had a substantial investment. We want to figure out what more we can do working together going forward. And we're very much looking forward to meeting with Your Holiness.
Because this is, monsoon time.
I know.
So we'll be sending email for next 3 days. iPad. You will have a relaxing time. Right, next 2 days. Thank you so much. Oh,
Yes, San Diego.
San Diego.
Yes.
Welcome. Thank you so very much. Thank you so much. We're very honored. Very privileged. Thank you so much. Hello. Thank you. Welcome. Thank you. It's very good. So we are very proud and honored to have all of you here. This time, 5 days ago, I went to His Holiness, Your Holiness. We have very important guests and friends coming all the way from Washington, D.C. If you could kindly host lunch. I think he hosts lunch maybe once or twice a year. So he said, okay, I'll do it. So tomorrow you will have relaxed audience, relaxed lunch with him. That's the main thing. And so that's why everything is, it's working out very well. So I'm very happy